Hello, this is Shoya, a Japanese carpenter. Today, I'd like to show you how to make a staircase in this 1.8 meters by 1.8 meters space. This staircase has, from here, 4 steps of straight stairs, 5 steps of spiral stairs, and 5 steps of straight stairs. So total 14 steps. In this video, I'd like to show you how to install spiral steps. And in the next video, I'll show you how to install straight steps. First of all, prepare the actual scale drawing of spiral steps. People walk through the center of the width of steps if it's a straight stair. But in the case of a spiral stair, people don't walk through the center. They walk a little inside, around 1/3 from the inside edge. So draw a circle whose radius is at 1/3 width and divide it into 5 equal parts. And decide the width of steps to be equal to each other. Okay, now drawing is fine. Based on this drawing, make spiral stairs. Before that, let me sharpen the blade of plane to shave timber as well. This time, the material is dried local pines. First, shape the end surface of the materials to make it straight and shape it to be the same as the drawing. One board cannot cover the shape of the spiral step, so connect 3 boards and make one step. Put the material boards on the actual scale drawing and trace the dimension. Connect 3 boards like this and draw the marking based on the actual scale drawing. Cut it by circular saw. Don't erase the marking at this time to adjust the shape after connecting 3 boards by electrical plane. The 3rd board is just the same size as cut off piece by chance. I've never experienced like this. This is a very rare case. Shape the end section of the step to be straight. Then connect the 3 boards by strong urethane glue. This glue is quick drying type, so it's necessary to fix them in a hurry. It takes only 1 minute for the glue to get hard after being applied. So I need to press them within 1 minute. Press the boards tightly. In this case, the shape of boards is triangle, so they cannot be pressed by machine. Thus, apply pressure by screws to fix these 3 boards. Okay, first step has been completed. I'd like to make the other 4 steps using the actual scale drawing as well. The most important thing is to make one step of 3 boards from the same material. If I combine 2 different boards for one step, the color will be mismatching. So it's necessary to make one step from the same board so that there is no color difference. After glue gets dried, remove overhanging glue and finish it. This glue is quick drying type, so timbers are fixed completely 15 to 20 minutes after applying the glue. Gaps cannot be prevented when 3 boards are fixed, so adjust the shape along the marking I drew first. Make grooves on the bottom side of steps to fix rise boards. Next, finish the boards. This time, each step is bigger, so it's a little difficult to plane. 3 to 4 days have passed since this material had been delivered, so they have gotten curved gradually. Now I'm trying to connect them and make them straight. It's really difficult work actually. Gloss and color are matching and beautiful by making spiral steps using the same board. Lastly, cut out a groove to prevent slipping. This blade is round shaped, so the end of groove and the section of groove will be also round shaped. Measure the height of the staircase and make a scale for level reference. Before trace a level, confirm the horizontal line using a laser machine. Without confirmation of the horizontal line, the steps will not become horizontal. So it's necessary to confirm the horizontal line of the floor level. Trace a level of 5 spiral steps from the scale until 9 steps of hall of staircase. First of all, cut out the notches on the center column. 5 steps will be supported by the center column. If notches are too large, the column will be weak. So cut out minimum necessary portion as much as possible. Here is a nag where I'm trying to make a notch. Nags of artificially dried materials become very hard. So if I hit such kind of nags with a chisel, the chisel will be damaged. So in that case, remove the nags by drill first. Cut out notches of the other portions as well. Okay, now I've completed all notches on each column. Next, install substrate materials of steps. Install the substrate materials at the level of marking and notches. These substrate materials will support steps, so I have to use strong materials. Then fix the steps by screws from the top side. Without fixing them from the top side, the steps will be curved, so make sure to fix strong substrate materials. Next, install steps. I don't fix them one by one. First, install all steps temporarily. It's because dimension of these steps are based on drawing only, so they need to be adjusted in sight. So first, install these 5 steps by way of trial, and check whether there is no misaligned, then fix them as final. When fixing natural woods by screws, make a little larger pilot holes, so that wood can avoid load and cracks. These materials are made of pines. Pines are cracked easily due to wind and sunlight. So now I'm applying wood glue on the whole of end sections. By this wood glue, cracks can be prevented. Next, install rise boards from backside. The worst thing regarding staircase is the crack of rise boards. This is 50mm thick pine board. It's the easiest to be cracked. So make sure to apply wood glue on the end surface to prevent cracks. Then fix it by screws. Apply wood glue on the both edges as well after fixing. This spiral type of staircase used to be called Neshi Agari. A good point of this type of staircase is to be made in a narrow space. This staircase I've been making today is made of 14 steps in 1.8 meters by 1.8 meters space. Actually, spiral staircase of 5 steps is difficult to make. Okay, I've completed to make spiral 5 steps. In the next video, I'll install the straight steps above and under the spiral steps I installed today. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.